Here I've got OPPO A31 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings and click on date and time. And here you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it on by yourself. So smoothly by tapping on this switcher you can pick if you want to have automatic date and time, or if you don't want to have it and then you would like to set it up by yourself, then it should not be active. And now you can smoothly change the date, time in your device. Then you can also pick time zone if you want to. Here you got it. And finally you can change the format of your clock. So you can either have 24-hour format clock or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. So this is it, that would be all. If you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers and now your date, time zone would be set up automatically, and also you will go back to automatic 24-hour format clock. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.